All right, sports fans, here we are in Galveston, 7th of July, 2026. Before you, an ATS T460. See if that'll focus. V-twin track loader mini, made in China. Like all the rest, they are all pretty much the same, be it R-Tier, ATS, SD-Lul, Huawei, Starvox. All the ones with the gas engine share very similar tracks, sprockets, idlers, engines, gas tanks, hydraulic hoses, valves, pumps. They're just slightly different chassis. Hydraulic cylinders, oil coolers, all about the same. This one for sale, Facebook Marketplace, Houston, Galveston, $39.50. Has the Art Deco paint scheme, which is a rarity. Exhaust pipe does exit the chassis. Some of them don't quite make it, so it causes some heating up problems. This thing has about less than an hour, 0.8 hours. I've let it run a little bit and brake in, idling, and quarter throttle. No surprises. If you want to come down from Dallas or Oklahoma City or Albuquerque, you can drive down and you won't be wasting your time. This is not a case of your typical Facebook listing. Seems like most of the stuff on Facebook these days are scams, or if you get there, what you're buying is a total turd. This thing is, for the most part, brand new. It has been sitting outside, so it's got a little bit of like rust staining. All right, we'll start her up. It does have the Zonson V-twin. Zonson is a very big Chinese manufacturer. So I'll give it about half throttle, 3/8. If it doesn't start immediately, just pull the choke for an instant and they'll always start. Uh-oh. Hydraulics work fine. No surprises. Can't really drive with holding the hand. Trying to use my elbow there, that doesn't work. No smoke. No nothing. Perfectly fine little track loader. If you're interested, give me a call, 409-939-1995. 409-939-1995. Although you got to do it fast because I am going to Guatemala pretty soon. Signing off.